Hi YouTube. This video's got issues with this printer. All these items are supposed to be straight sided like this, but some of the prints are coming out with a stagger, a step in them, like the top parts move back a couple of millimeters, and I suspect it's a slipping drive belt on the y-axis. Now the belt here is actually connected underneath the table. You can't really see it very well there, so you can't get at it from the top. So this video is about how you change the drive belt. The connector for the belt is underneath the table. Kind of see it in there. So what I've done is I've taken the base off the bottom panel. That's held on with these little screws. It's a T10 Torx bit. So I've taken the base off. And I find, with the base you need to disconnect this little cooling fan. So I've marked it up there with a felt tip, and it goes in one of these two. So this is the one with the red felt tip on there. And there's a hole, an access hole, which is just for the job. So you can see the belt connector there has come into view. So it's quite easy to get at, and it's got a little bit of glue smeared over it, so I'm going to remove that now. I've pulled the glue off, some sort of silicone-y stuff. I've got the pliers there on the belt. The belt it slips into this notched groove, so you just get hold of it and pull it out. So you can see the holder there with the notches on. This is the belt that's come out, the old belt, and it's got that like tensioner on it. It's a spring tensioner, so I have to take that off, and I'll cut the new belt to length. This is the new drive belt fitted, and I fitted the little spring tensioner there. You've just got to make sure that it goes round the pulley at the back, locates up with the teeth there, so it's on the upper part where the teeth are. Connected the belt into the receiver, so you stretch the belt and just locate it on the teeth either side, and then I've put a smear of silicone over it just to hold the belt in place.